Introduction. Your body has many systems that work together to keep you alive. The systems are working all the time. They all need to stay healthy to do their jobs. Do you know? See what you know before you read this book. What do you know about each of these body systems? Skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, endocrine system, immune system. Every minute of your life, your heart pumps blood. Messages move to and from your brain. Your lungs carry cells. Your body kills bad germs and gets rid of waste products. It also does many more jobs, even while you sleep. In this book, you will learn about 7 important body systems. As you read, think about all the jobs each body system does to keep you alive and healthy. The skeletal system. The bones of your skeletal system support the rest of your body. Bones also protect your organs and help you move. Your spine, the main support, has 26 bones. Your skull protects your brain from getting hurt. Your ribs protect your heart and lungs. Your pelvis helps to protect the organs in your belly. Long, strong bones support your arms and legs. Your hands, wrists, feet, and ankles have many small bones. Each of the 206 bones in your body has a special job. Did you realize your bones are alive? Bones are made of living cells. This is why bones grow. Bone marrow in the middle of bones makes new blood cells. Do you know? Can you guess where the smallest bones in your body are? They're in your middle ears. 3 tiny bones carry sounds from your eardrums to your inner ears. The muscular system. The muscular system works with the skeletal system so you can move. Your muscles can contract, become shorter and tighter, or relax, become longer and looser. Your body has 3 kinds of muscles. Skeletal muscles connect to bones. When you run, smile, or pick up a pencil, your skeleton of your body are made of smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscle tissue moves food, blood, and other things through your body. Cardiac muscle is found only in your heart. This strong muscle works every moment of your life. Wowzer! Your body has more than 650 muscles. Almost half your weight is muscles. The nervous system. Your brain is in charge of your nervous system. It controls just about all you do: speaking, thinking, feeling, and most movement. To do its job, your brain uses nerves to reach the different parts of your body. Electrical signals move very quickly along the nerves. These signals carry messages between your brain and other body parts. This drawing shows important parts of the brain. These parts work together to help you live, think, feel, and do other things. Wowzer! Signals in your nervous system can move more than 290 kilometers, 180 miles per hour. That's more than twice as fast as cars move on a freeway. That's why you notice it so soon if you hurt your toe. The respiratory system. Your respiratory system is in charge of your breathing. When you breathe in, you take in oxygen. Your respiratory system carries the oxygen to your blood. Then your blood carries the oxygen to your cells. Cells need this oxygen to make energy for your body. When cells make energy, they also make water and carbon dioxide. These two things are waste products.